Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 25th, 2016. Of course, it's a Friday. We're getting ready for the holiday weekend that is on the way for Easter, for those of you that celebrate. Also, there's a very interesting weekend on the way as far as the pattern evolving to one that's going to be rather active and rather interesting with the wide temperature swings moving on through much of April. It's going to get pretty interesting with the weather pattern. But let's focus on the next 5 days, and we'll get to the chilly weather that will be on the way after April 1st. So for today, we have a rather interesting thermal gradient setting up here. We have basically a backdoor cold front that has stalled out, somewhat like a warm front at this point. Then you have your cold front approaching from the west. It's right around west central Pennsylvania. You can see the fall off in temperatures here. You can also see the upper 40s to lower 50s over much of the New York City metro off towards Connecticut. But then as you head towards southern New Jersey, temperatures are pushing into the lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro as well. Even portions of southern Pennsylvania around 67 degrees. That warm air is starting to surge northward ahead of the cold front. And then as the cold front moves through, we're going to see scattered showers throughout the region this morning. We have areas of fog that has developed over the New York City metro, and it's a complicated forecast as far as what's happening here. So let's dive into the observations here with the satellite. Now what you have your stationary backdoor cold front with your marine air mass, and so you have a lot of low-level moisture, and that's what's leading to the fog. Meanwhile, you have warm air surging over that marine air mass, leading to scattered showers, and an additional lifting with the cold front approaching from the west. All of this will basically lead to a rather raw, wet start to the day. But the good news is that once this cold front moves out, it clears out, humidity drops like a rock, and temperatures spike into the lower to mid 60s over Connecticut and Long Island, and upper 60s to lower 70s over the New York City metro on southwest through the Philadelphia metro. Of course, the Philadelphia metro has the highest potential for temperatures pushing into the lower 70s, with a high around 72. So overall, after these morning showers, the afternoon is going to be actually rather pleasant with clearing skies and temperatures jumping rapidly. Now, as far as the radar is concerned, you can see showers starting to develop off to our southwest around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. That's lifting to the northeast. And then you have your cold front here. So again, you have your stationary backdoor cold front with widely scattered showers and fog and drizzle. Then you have your warm air surging northward. That's with these showers. And then you have your cold front approaching from the west. That's these showers. So all of that is going to move through the region this morning, leading to the threat for scattered showers capable of heavy downpours. Looking anywhere from a tenth to a quarter of an inch for most locations, up to a half an inch of rain is possible, though mostly unlikely, in some of these heavy downpours. So let's dive into this forecast. Again, for this afternoon, the cold front will be exiting the region and looking for a few lingering showers. Temperatures again ranging from the lower to mid 60s over Connecticut and Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s everywhere else as that dry air builds in. For tonight, look for clearing skies with winds coming in from the north. Look for lows by tomorrow morning in the lower to mid 40s throughout the region. High temperatures tomorrow with high pressure and control and winds veering to the east around the lower to, mid to upper 50s. Now that's pretty much close to where we should be for this time of year. It'll feel a little bit cooler because of that easterly wind, but mid to upper 50s is where we should be for this time of year. And then on Sunday, high pressure and control with an easterly wind. Look for lows in the lower 50s, lower 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s along the coast, and upper 50s to lower 60s over the Delaware River Valley. Now on Monday, an area of low pressure will approach the region, and that's going to produce periods of heavy rain on Monday. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s along the coast, and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. High pressure will be in control on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with temperatures on Tuesday in the mid to upper 30s for lows, lower to mid 50s for highs. On Wednesday, upper 30s for lows, mid to upper 50s for highs. And on Thursday, lows in the mid 40s and highs in the lower to mid 60s. Now on Friday of next week, Another cold front will move through with a threat for scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, have a wonderful and safe day. Just a quick note, on Sunday, Easter Sunday, there will be no updates. However, if there's any severe weather, which isn't expected, you can be sure I'll be keeping an eye on it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.